Hi guys, and welcome back to Thrifty Fashion with Kyle. Today we are going to turn this old hairband and this old t-shirt into this scrunchie. All you'll need is some old fabric, an old t-shirt or an old pair of jeans will do, a hairband, a safety pin, a pair of scissors, fabric or normal, and a needle and thread. First, cut out your strip of fabric. This should be roughly 2 to 3 inches wide and about 20 inches long. So now you're going to sew down either side of your bits of fabric to make it into a kind of tube which you're going to thread the elastic through. So just sew down both edges and then leave obviously the top bits open. It should look a little something like this. Fold down and sew either end of your tube to hide the raw edge. So now you have your tube all sewed down each side and at each end, and now you just have to turn it the right way round. So just flip the fabric through. Cut your hairband in half and attach a safety pin on one end. So now you get your safety pin and just thread the elastic through to the end. Now obviously there's a lot more of this than there is the elastic, but that's so that it bunches up like you would expect a scrunchie to. So if you just keep threading through, but make sure you hold on to this end. And the way that you can find it inside the tube is with the safety pin. For extra help, you might want to pop a safety pin on the other end as well to make sure that you don't lose that. Now just tie the hairband in a knot. And sew the fabric together to hide the hairband inside the fabric. Make sure that all of the pieces are inside the fabric and nothing is poking out. So now you have your completed scrunchie, so you can just pop it in your hair like that, tie it around, and yeah, And then you've got your completed scrunchie. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more of what PlayPlace are doing during the lockdown, check them out on Facebook and Instagram at PlayPlace Youth Services. If you want to check out more from me, you can check me out at KFlynnDavies on Instagram or Flynn Davies Enneagram. Feel free to subscribe down below, and thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.